today on the Diamond Family Farm. Instead, no, they're not.
We are
baking instead of going outside because it's like really cold out.
It's only about 7 degrees.
Yes, it is.
So we decided to come in.
Oh, it's 19 now.
And bake. And we will think about flowers once it gets a little warmer out here.
So, well, yeah. But we first made caramel pop. Caramel?
I forgot about it.
Yeah, well.
Good thing you said something.
The caramel popcorn, yes, I don't really know. Caramel corn. And now we are making Russian tea cakes. So, yeah. Let's look at this. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
I'm gonna mix it.
Bye guys, peace out. That's how you do it on my Tegelman farm.
Well, welcome back everybody. Now that Claire and Jane made us some nice cookies, we're gonna plow some snow. We got a couple inches of snow yesterday, which isn't too bad, but it was real windy last night, so it drifted it up in spots. Other places on the driveway are virtually clear, but it just drifted, especially up here by the house and back behind the barn. So we're gonna plow that, so hang on for the ride. Man, it's good. Well, I've had the tractor running for a while, so it's nice and warmed up. I plugged it in for about 2 hours. It was plugged in. It's been sitting there idling for about a half hour, so it's nice and warmed up. Hydraulic fluid and everything should be warmed up, so it'll work good. But hang on for the ride. Well, we're kind of low on fuel, so before I get started, I'm gonna have to fuel this thing up. Hopefully the diesel in the tank isn't all gelled up. I guess we'll find out here. Oh great, I want the cover for that. I don't know if you can see that mess all over the hood. That's from, well, last time we snowplowed and I broke that hydraulic line. It sprayed some of that hydraulic fluid all over the hood and then got some dirt on there, so that's a mess. Way too cold to clean that up. I always put these caps over the nozzle ends, keep snow and rain and stuff from getting out. Seem to work pretty good. They're a heavier rubber, so usually even in a windstorm, I've only lost them once or twice ever. Get this all done. There, we can get started. Sam's up shoveling the sidewalk for me. I gotta go up and get some warmer gloves on and a warmer hat. It's kind of cold out here. The wind's not real strong. The wind's out of the west. See the flag moving there. So I'm gonna get some warmer gloves and a warmer hat on. Well, there, I got my chopper style mitts on. These are warm. They got wool lining, plus there's a layer of thin slate in there, so they're warm. I got my bomber style hat on, so I'll be all right. You guys okay in there? Are you all right? Oh yeah, you look like you're all right. Well, that's gonna be about it for now. I stayed nice and warm with the chopper mitts. Hopefully I don't have frozen snot hanging out of my nose, but that's gonna be it for today, and we'll see you later at the Degelman farm.